Welcome to similarweb, where you can grow your traffic share with our digital marketing intelligence solution. In this short video, you'll get a brief overview of the features and insights included in the similarweb search marketing package. Similarweb leverages real digital user behavior so you can benchmark your search traffic and engagement in the search overview, view traffic share per keyword amongst competitors, analyze key metrics for any keyword, and expand your keyword list by discovering keyword ideas and competitive opportunities. Let's pretend you're on the Hotels.com team and want to benchmark performance versus Trivago.com and Booking.com in the US for the last 3 months. In the Search Overview section, you can compare total search visits, as well as organic versus paid, and branded versus non-branded traffic. Booking.com seems to get the most visits, mainly from non-branded keywords. We'll come back to this in a bit. In Search Traffic and Engagement, you can see search traffic, visit duration, pages per visit, and bounce rate over time. This allows you to get a quick understanding of how well these websites' acquisition and engagement strategies are working over time. You can even drill down using the filters. For example, we can select paid traffic, non-branded, and the search type. Click Explore Search Keywords to see the keywords that drive traffic to you and your competitors. Filter for non-branded to remove keywords with brand names in them. Remember, non-branded keywords is where Booking.com was winning. Looks like this is partly because they're dominating the keyword hotel. Not only can we see the competitive traffic share here, but also organic versus paid, volume, CPC, position, and landing page. Now, let's find keyword ideas by navigating to Find Keywords. You can search by seed keyword, industry, or competition. Let's add Hotels.com and the competitors as before. From here, you can see non-branded keyword opportunities, those where Hotels.com has 0 to 1% of the competitive traffic share. So if we look at Atlantic City, for example, we see that Trivago and Booking dominate the traffic share for this keyword, representing a potential keyword opportunity for Hotels.com. You can drill down further by clicking the keyword to better understand whether it's a keyword worth targeting. Search volume looks pretty high, with most searches occurring in summer months. But you'll also notice that the vast majority of searches don't actually result in a click, meaning it has lower potential for driving traffic. Let's get some other keyword ideas by clicking on Related Keywords. The Keyword Generator tool allows you to expand your keyword list based on your seed keyword to find related keywords, phrase match, trending keywords, and question queries. To add keywords to your keyword list, just select the relevant keywords, provide a name for your list, and click Create. Now you can view all the details regarding your specific keyword list so that you can monitor and expand it over time. This is just Creating a keyword list will help you reveal new competitors receiving traffic from your target keywords, discover new keywords by finding top-performing searches by real consumers in real time, monitor your share of voice, benchmark your keyword list against your arena, and stay ahead of the competition by seeing if your keyword list is increasing or declining in traffic month over month. With your keyword list, you can see whether your website or the competitors are winning search traffic on your target keywords, and if the keywords in your list are the most relevant keywords, based on if they are increasing or declining in traffic from the previous month. So let's take a look and see how it's done. From your workspace, you can create your keyword list by clicking here. Keep in mind, you can also create your keyword list in the Search Keyword Analysis module. Our Keyword Generator tool allows you to easily create a keyword list by suggesting hundreds of keyword ideas. And if you have your own list of keywords you're monitoring, no worries, just copy and paste them in. In this example, we'll use the Keyword Generator tool. Use a seed keyword to represent the category, product, topic, or campaign you want to analyze or monitor. For example, let's enter denim. You will see that similarweb suggests relevant seed keywords based on your arena. On the Phrase Match tab, you'll see a variety of keywords containing your seed keyword in the results, and on the next tab, you can see Related Keywords, which contain a variety of keywords similar to your seed keyword based on the user's search intent and can help you improve your list. Now, to create your list, just check each keyword you want to add or select all, and then click Select List. Create New List. Provide a name and then click Create. Now that your list is created, let's view it. Click here to benchmark against your arena and see valuable insights. Insights for your keyword list are endless. Within your arena, the Organic Search Overview tab provides you with a high-level view of organic search traffic and engagement metrics for you and your competitors. See where you're winning, losing, and find opportunities to help your SEO strategy. Let's take a look at Walmart for the last 3 months and how they stack up against their competitors. Keep in mind, you can add up to 4 competitors. As you can see, Walmart gets almost 60% of the desktop traffic share for all organic visits. You can see this information on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis for a more granular view. You also have the option to filter the results to show only branded organic visits or non-branded organic visits. Further down, keyword opportunities show the most valuable keywords driving traffic to Walmart's competitors, but not to Walmart. This is a chance for Walmart to include these keywords in their strategic plans. Keyword losses shows keywords that Walmart is getting a small amount of traffic for versus their competition. Here, you can see the most competitive and therefore strategic keywords. Winning these keywords will help grow Walmart's search traffic. And finally, you can see keyword wins. These are keywords that drive the majority of traffic to Walmart's website. Walmart should keep an eye on these keywords to protect their traffic share. Let's take an in-depth look at keyword losses. Clicking here takes you through to the keywords section of search traffic, filtered by keyword losses. Keywords where Walmart's traffic share is between 1% and 20% versus its competitors. The other filters are available for your convenience. The list shows you keywords Walmart is getting some traffic for but losing on, as well as volume of traffic to see if they are worth pursuing more aggressively. You have the option to create keywords lists and monitor them in your workspace. For example, let's use the Boolean search to include the keyword sanitizer. After the results are filtered, you can select these keywords and create a keyword list to monitor these specific keywords. This helps you focus on the keywords that are important to you and helps you with your SEO strategy. Clicking here will show you which domains are getting organic traffic from your keyword list, changes in traffic share, and which landing pages they are driving traffic to. Clicking over to the Keywords tab, you can see the breakdown of the keywords in your list.